As we're kicking off this new year, which will hopefully be a much better one, many of us, myself included, have made resolutions. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone. And as a productivity and organizing consultant, I'm really interested in hearing what people's resolutions are. The reason? Getting organized has always been among the top 5 in past years. So I was really curious about this year. I did a little research and found the same 3 resolutions on each list. So I wanted to share them to start with. First, number 1, more exercise. That's one of mine. Number 2, save money. And number 3, travel more, which is also one of mine. So while getting organized didn't make the top resolutions, it's still on the list. Because in order to achieve the goals associated with each of these resolutions, you really need to hone your organizing skills. For example, if exercising is on your list, you really need to master your calendar. Organize it, manage your activities, block the time so that you have dedicated exercising time consistently every week. This is something I do. I have exercise time blocked twice a day. So whatever type of exercise you want to do, make sure the time is set aside for it. So as it relates to saving money, in order to do that, you really should assess your financial situation to start with. That starts with collecting all those financial statements, organizing them, whether they be paper or digital copies, so that you can get the big picture and then figure out what your plan of attack will be so you can reduce your expenses. And number 3, traveling. That's, as I said, is on my list. It's going to be a little challenging because there's still a lot of uncertainty this year. So you probably need a plan A and a plan B. So organizing your thoughts and creating a plan is going to be really essential. Create a timeline with dedicated benchmarks. So as those deadlines approach during the year, you can reassess, reevaluate, and proactively make decisions, recognizing that you may have to pivot a little bit because of everything that's going on right now. So I wish you a lot of success in achieving the goals related to your resolutions and making them a reality. And I encourage you to really stick with it because you're going to make some real important changes to your life, and it's going to take some time. And remember that the benefits will be well worth the effort that you invest. This is what I tell myself every morning when it's time to exercise. I'm Stephanie Shalofsky of the Organizing Zone. If you'd like some more tips, please visit my website and check out my blog at theorganizingzone.com/blog.